What's up, YouTube, and welcome to the
SNORLAX family!
SNORLAX family.
You're supposed to stay with us.
and today, this is part 2 of the 3-pack blisters of the famous legendary dogs.
No.
Just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. This is part 2. This was in my storage, and I seen how much they cost now. They're like almost 20 bucks a piece. That is cray, y'all. That's cray. But let's get opening this. And part 3. Which one's this one? This one's.
I don't
You guys remember this dog?
I don't remember the name.
I know the first one was Suicune.
Yeah. You have this. No. You. Yeah. You.
I don't remember the name of this.
I
Holy
think-
crap!
Try to turn the thing around. I might have it on the back. It's out of these 3 right here, then.
Which one?
Those 3 at the bottom.
Oh, Entei is the fire one. Raikou. This is Raikou. We did Suicune the first one, and we did it a long time ago, and I totally forgot we had this series going. And this is Raikou. We're doing Raikou.
And that saved the day. We're like looking through like all of our stores. I'm like,
We don't have nothing but the 2 tins left, the old tins that has legendary treasures and stuff.
I'm like, Dad.
Look at that.
We had to. We
That
forgot,
is nice.
that we were continuing the series. He's like, "What are you doing? I forgot about it."
Daddy,
Awesome.
why do you
Raikou.
why do you keep paper clips in your videos?
Here, put him by. Oh, because I was doing my medical form.
Yeah.
Put that up.
I want to put.
Put it up.
Put it up.
All right, and these ones come with
I remember when they said.
Steam Siege. Oh, sorry guys, I have to move the camera. Sun and Moon base set, Evolution, and Steam Siege. So we'll leave these right here. We'll go with Charizard. Hopefully we get the full art Charizard out of here.
That's what we're
Video,
going
we picked
for.
out all of our things. Oh, it's so much fun.
Let's see what we can get out of here, guys. And Kakuna. Man, this always takes me back. Every time I see this stuff, man, it just takes me back. I love it so much. But the thing is, hardly none of these are playable unless you get a break. Wah, 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 wah. Ooh, Charmeleon and a rare is a far-fetched. Alright.
And
That's fine.
everyone
That's
will
fine.
get at least.
A lot of people that I see people opening. Quit moving so much, it's moving the camera.
Okay. Okay. I want to see if I can get the Ultra Ball out of this. Okay. I destroyed this pack.
It's alright, I don't care. We got a lot of packs.
We got lots of packs.
Okay. Oh. I wonder what this.
Just leave it alone.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And what is that? Oh, fighting type.
And then our first card is the fighting type.
Maybe, maybe not.
No,
Oh no,
psychic.
it's an unknown. Unknown.
Unknown.
Psychic, you mean?
Yeah,
No,
unknown.
she meant like the Pokemon.
That's Hypno.
Hypno. Oh, never
Unknown,
mind.
I like unknown.
Pokeball.
Pokeball. Pelipper. Hey, look at it, Daddy.
Sweet, the evolutions.
Dratini. Pillipop. Bounsweet.
Oh, Lola Mug reverse raid.
And our rare is.
Ooh,
What? What are you doing? It looks
All right,
like
come on.
it like used some kind of spell or something.
Alright, Gabe. Or Munchlax. Bring us home, Munchlax.
Okay,
Is that a rare?
we're gonna be opening Steam Seed, one of my favorite packs. Well, you guys already know what's my first favorite pack, and then Steam Seed. It's in all the other videos
What?
that I've been saying. Legendary treasures.
Hey, that's mine.
No, it's mine. Now. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got a Sheldon, Swellis, Nidoran, Mareep, Purgemite,
No, Bergmite.
Boongies, Joltik, Litwick.
DeWalt. Is that
DeWalt.
reverse rare? No, it's a
And the
uncommon.
rare is a
Oh,
Weavile.
Weavile. Wah, wah, wah. Alright, you guys.
Yesterday's one.
Raikou was a dud. The only thing we got out of this was a Alolan Muck. Go check out my other video. I might link it in the description below. Really, it's a really old video because, like I said, I forgot that I had these. But this is the only thing we got out of here. This was a dud. It sucks, but hey, what can you do? It is what it is. Let's see if Ante will get us any good luck. This has been the
SNORLAX family.
and we will see you guys later. Deuces!